Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to check whether a given value is array-like in JavaScript. In JavaScript, not all collections behave like arrays, and some objects can be iterable without being arrays. Identifying these correctly is crucial for handling data structures dynamically and preventing runtime errors. Let's explore how to do this efficiently. Array-like based objects include arrays, strings, and special collections like node lists, which can be looped over but aren't necessarily real arrays. Using the spread operator is a great way to test if a value behaves like an array. This function works by attempting to spread the value into an array. If spreading succeeds, it means the value is iterable and array-like. If it throws an error, then the value is not iterable and we return false. This method ensures that only iterable values pass the test, while filtering out objects that do not support iteration. The try-catch block allows us to handle errors gracefully, ensuring stability. This function correctly identifies array-like values by checking whether they support iteration. Objects and null fail the test because they do not have iterators. This function is useful in DOM manipulation, data processing, and library development. Many functions expect iterable inputs, and this check ensures that data is processed correctly without any errors. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to identify array-like values using the spread operator. This technique is essential for handling iterables safely and preventing unexpected errors in JavaScript programs. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.